Stop wasting time manually creating affiliate links, because I'm about to show you the quickest way to monetize your content using the Amazon Associates site Stripe. First, ensure you're logged into your Amazon Associates account. This will automatically display the site Stripe at the top of any Amazon page you visit. If you don't see it, double-check that you're logged in and that your account is active. Now, navigate to the product you want to promote. Let's say I want to promote this cool coffee maker. See that text button in the site Stripe? Click it. This generates a short text link that you can copy and paste into your blog, social media, or anywhere else you promote products. If you prefer an image with a link, click the image button. You can select the image size you want, small, medium, or large, then grab the generated HTML code to embed it on your website. For a text link and image combined, choose the text image option again. Just copy the provided HTML code. It's that simple. But the site Stripe isn't just for creating links. Click on Earnings in the toolbar to get a quick overview of your daily and monthly earnings, clicks, and conversions without even leaving the Amazon website. Need help? The Help button provides direct access to Amazon Associates resources and support. So, start using the Amazon Associates site Stripe today to streamline your affiliate marketing efforts and maximize your earnings. Now go make some money.